Hi everyone! Today I'm making cherry Kool-Aid fudge. This pretty and colorful fudge combines the sweetness of white chocolate with the tangy flavor of cherry Kool-Aid. It takes just a few ingredients and it's easy to make. So let's get started. Take an 8x8 baking pan and line it with foil, leaving enough foil hanging over the edges to use as handles to lift the fudge out. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 24 ounces of white chocolate morsels and one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Melt this in the microwave in 20 to 30-second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then add a 0.13-ounce packet of cherry-flavored Kool-Aid unsweetened drink mix. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now place the mixture into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. If you like, you can add pretty sprinkles to the top and then press them down slightly. Now chill this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours or until it sets up. After it is chilled, lift the foil and the fudge out of the pan and cut it into squares to serve. And here it is, cherry Kool-Aid fudge. And you can change up this recipe by using different flavors of Kool-Aid. Be sure to store this covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. It takes just a few ingredients to make and it's oh no! Look, there's a gnat. Ooh. Then add a 0.13 packet. Then add a no foil.